What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we are going to be discussing the 1937 D wheat cent. So let's get into it. Okay, guys. So have you ever thought to yourself that this coin that I have is in really, really good condition and it might actually be worth something? If so, this video is for you. And I'm not talking about just a 1937 wheat cent. I'm talking about any coin, guys. Let's use this coin as an example. The 1937 D wheat cent. The D stands for Denver Mint. And just so you know, there were 50 million of these specific coins minted by the U.S. Mint. Now, if you have one of these that is in mint condition, gem mint condition, it looks like no flaws whatsoever, this coin could potentially be worth thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now I want to show you some recent sales of the 1937 D and what it went for. Check it out. So guys, in the coin world, anything is possible. And your coin can sell for just as much as this, if not even more. What I want you to do is, if you have one of these coins, take it to your local coin shop, show it to a coin expert, and get their opinion on whether it is valuable or not. And if you don't mind, take it to another coin shop just to get a second opinion. You can never be too sure. And so guys, I want to leave you with this. Always make sure you check your coins for errors. And if you see a coin that is in really, really good condition, hold on to that coin. Keep it safe by putting it in a coin holder and get it checked out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video with someone. Happy hunting, and I'll see you next time. Peace.